4 months since the country stopped international flights following the outbreak of COVID-19, the airspace is reopening. The Ministry of Transport says it has put in place measures to ensure the virus will be contained.
All arriving passengers on international flights with a PCR-based COVID-19 negative certificate whose body temperature is not above 37.5 degrees Celsius and do not have a persistent cough, difficulty in breathing, or other flu-like symptoms, and have been tested 96 hours before travel shall be exempt from quarantine.
With one more day to go until the reopening of international flights in the country, the ministry says as part of the regulations in place is to tight list the number of countries open to allow their nationals to come in, specifically because of their decline in COVID-19 positive cases.
For a start, these countries which I'm going to mention here will be the initial list from which we shall be allowing passengers to come from. 1. China, South Korea, Japan, Canada, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia, Switzerland, Rwanda, Uganda, Namibia, and Morocco.
The ministry says those flying into or out of Kenya past curfew hours will only be required to show a valid travel pass at the police check in order to be allowed to proceed.
Passengers traveling out of the country, meaning you and me, they'll be required to abide by the particular travel, health, and COVID-19 related requirements of the destination country.
Airlines have also been directed to follow stringent measures by thoroughly checking the documentation to ensure that all passengers have fully complied. They are also expected to ensure further safety measures on board, such as wearing of face masks and hand hygiene. The ministry says they shall keep reviewing the number of flights as they project a low turnout of travelers due to COVID-19 during these first months. Macharia says that action will also be taken on those flouting measures on road transport.
The numbers which these buses are supposed to carry is very clear, and during the checkups, during roadblocks, we shall be checking through the law enforcement agencies that indeed those public buses are not breaking the law.
Helen Aura, NTV.